Hello everyone. This video we will guide you while creating a production process. If you are not getting the bill of material details or number, what should be done? So first of all, we need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Once you will come in production module, please check. On your right hand side, you will get an option of create new production process. Please click. Now, after clicking on create new, I will go ahead and select one of my item, which is big dome key. So once I selected this particular item, please check. Here the bill of material, it is showing create BOM. The bill of material is not getting fetched. Now, what to be done? So as because this particular material doesn't have a particular bill of material, so it is not coming. Always do remember that you need to select the finished good of bill of material which you have defined while creating the production process, and then bill of material will come. So you can click on create BOM option, and accordingly a create bill of material page will get opened up in front of your screen. Now here you can go ahead and define the finished good, that will be big dome key, and you can define the raw materials. So let me quickly just go ahead and create one bill of material and show you. So I will just put down all the details. Now I will just select the finished good here, and I will select some of the raw material. Uh, yeah, I will provide the quantity, and I will quickly go ahead and click on save BOM. Now my bill of material is saved. I will go back to the production page, and here I will click on refresh. Please check. Now the bill of material is coming in the list. I can go ahead and create this particular production process by filling all the details. Also, sometime it happen that we go ahead and just select the raw material which is available in the bill of material. So do remember that once you will select the raw material, it will not select the bill of material, as because bill of material will only get displayed if that item is entered in bill of material as finished good. I hope this video will be helpful to you once you get this notification from system that bill of material is not available. Have a good day ahead.